find, you have to first go to the math chart if you don't know your formula. And the formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And to find the slope of line WY, you have to go to W first, which is 3, 6. So W equals to -3, -6. And then the slope, the points for Y is -2, -6. So you have to find which is X and which is Y. Since W comes first, you put -3, put that parentheses minus -2 over -6 in parentheses minus -6. And that equals to -2 minus -3 equals 1, and -6 minus -6 equals 0. So M equals 1.